Now I'm going to show you how you use our editor block. That's our most complex new feature, and you have lots of possibilities here. You either start from up in the right corner on New Document, or you start from Content Library. It depends if you want to just use it for once or if you want to build something for future use, but it works the same. It looks like this, and you press the editor. You choose either from the library or New Editor, and you can type whatever you like. You can choose size. If you want it, for example, aligned. Of course, you can copy and paste text from somewhere else, and you can choose if you want it, what style you like. You can also have an ordered list and a bullet list within this. You can press the plus sign if you want to add an image. You just drag and drop or upload from your computer to add image. And you can choose size on the image. This is covering the whole template. You might want to write on top of the image, or you want to make a caption under. You can continue to build, for example, image and text. The same procedure, just upload from your computer, and you add some text as well. You might want to swap side, that's possible, like this. I made some examples here. These are a logo, that's an image that I just uploaded. This is also an image. Here we have a bullet list. And here we have what we call merge tags. That means that it auto-populates data from your recipient. Let's say we have a role here that is the recipient. So I press this and say that my recipient is Oprah Winfrey. I add her business registration number, I have her company name and so on, and I save it. This is data from within GetAccept. So we see that it auto-populates here. So makes your work much more efficient. You use these merge tags. For example, you want to add the business registration number as well, and it comes here. What else? We have this. It's a table. You press plus and choose table. You can plus to make more columns or rows. You can drag to adjust the size. Say that we have a product, we have an amount, we have a total, we want it gray, we want to take away some rows. Yeah, simply like this. This is also an example of a table. Here it looks slightly narrow, so I want a divider in between. So choose divider, and you can make a strike between, or if you just want space, you can have, for example, a large space here to make it more air in between. So I wish you good luck with the editor block.